everybody, my name is Jeannide. Thanks for tuning in, especially if you're a returning subscriber. What's up, boo? Gang to the notification gang. But anywho, thanks for tuning in, everyone. Today we are, getting into this fall look. I really love how this look came out. I'm not really that excited about these lashes, but we'll talk about it later. Stay tuned for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, share this video, and yeah, let's get on to the video. I don't know what else to say. Guys, Jeannide has a monitor. When I tell you I'm late to the game, I'm friggin' late to the game. What's his name was like, so you don't do, what's up, Eric? He probably gonna watch this. He was like, so you don't do your research? You just got your little camera and you just did whatever. I wouldn't say all that. I'm trying to leave space between my brow bone and the transition color. I love the way this looks. So I'm taking this brown eyeshadow. This is such a pretty eyeshadow. I'm putting it into my crease. Kind of. Yeah, I mean I'm putting well, I wouldn't say I'm putting all over my lid, but it's getting in there. Now I'm gonna pat it into the other shadow. Anywho, so above that brown eyeshadow, there's this shadow right here. This shadow is so freaking gorgeous. So I'm going to blend out these edges, and you see how like there's not a lot of product on here. I'm not gonna use a lot of product. Just gonna tap it ever so slightly onto that eyeshadow and blend these two together. I feel like it's way too high. But anywho, get the brown. Tap, 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 tap. I wet my concealer brush with water, and I'm just going to... Okay, yeah. I choose the transition color where you see this orange shimmer over here. But it looked ugly, so I just put the orange shimmer on top of it. Because I didn't like the way it looked at all with the transition color. So I'm just patting it onto I might as well to like most of it, to most of that cut crease. If I tell you what you wanna know, And I did put like some of the shimmer on top of the orange. Just some of it, but I still want the orange to peek through. So I'm gonna blend that. That's pretty much it. And I just have to blend. Actually, nah. In the innermost corner, I have Milani in there. My Milani Day Glow Luminescent Highlighter. So, ooh, that looks pretty, bitch. Ooh. Okay, so just. Okay, I'm gonna put on my liner and lashes. And I'll be back with the final look. Okay guys, we are back with the finished look. I look like a snack, but these lashes are throwing me off a bit. I looked at some of the finish so far, and one of these lashes is, I think it's this. Is it this lash that's messed up? Or is it this? I don't remember which lash it was. Honestly, I think one lash, I used one glue, and then the glue that came with these lashes, I used on this eye. So, you know, the other glue that I already had is better, but it's like almost done. And I tried squeezing it out for this eye, but none of the glue wanted to come out. So here I am. I don't know how I feel about these rainbow lashes. I don't like these. Well, there are 5, so I just chose one. I don't like these in particular. I don't. And I don't like the eyelash glue that it came with. I really don't. I don't like it at all. I normally don't even wear these kind of lashes, like, honestly. They're all out of my comfort zone. So these kind of look like wispies. Not just this one. And what's this? This one. This looks so long. I don't really like lashes. Well, actually, these lashes don't look bad. They don't look that bad. So next time I'll use like any of these others. But these ones right here that I have on, it's a no for me. Anywho, turn on post notifications, and thanks so much for watching. Deuces.